Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the expansion of the North-South Toll Highway in St. Anne. Now this highway currently goes from Kingston to Miami Bay, and then the new section will go from Miami Bay to Tower Island, St. Mary. That's section A, and then section B will go from Miami Bay to Trelawny. And both section A and B will be um, part of the toll road. So you'd have to pay toll to use the road. So basically, you'll be able to travel from the Ian Fleming International Airport to Kingston on the highway or from Ian Fleming to Trelawney on the highway. So this is a major development for Jamaica. Now, recently, the Prime Minister gave an update on how far these two extensions have reached. So we are going to give you an update on what's happening here. The government of Jamaica is moving forward with plans to expand the North-South Toll Highway, a major infrastructure project aimed at improving transportation and supporting economic growth along the island's north coast. Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently announced that detailed feasibility studies for the extensions are now being completed, marking an important step toward eventual construction. Over the past decade, the North Coast, particularly areas such as Miami Bay and Hall in St. Anne Parish, has experienced rapid development. New housing schemes, hotels, and commercial enterprises have transformed the corridor into one of Jamaica's most active economic zones. While this growth has brought increased investment and opportunities, it has also placed significant pressure on the existing road network. Traffic congestion, especially on weekends and during major events, often stretches for miles and even impacts neighboring Trelawny Parish. To address these challenges, the government is proposing an extension of the North-South Toll Highway that will create a high-speed alternative to the existing coastal road. The plan includes constructing a new interchange near Miami Bay, for which two highway segments will branch out, one heading west to Discovery Bay and the other east to Tower Island, St. Mary Parish. This new route is expected to divert traffic. This new route is expected to divert through traffic away from the busy commercial strip, significantly reducing congestion and improving travel times. In conclusion, the North-South Toll Highway extension represents a forward-looking investment in Jamaica's infrastructure. With feasibility studies nearing completion, the project is progressing towards implementation. Once realized, it is expected to enhance connectivity, reduce travel delays, and support sustained growth along one of the island's most important economic corridors. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.